Time for Dan Darew's Daily Destination now. Now, the new year is here. And if you're like most people, you're thinking, I want to get organized.
Yes, my garage is a mess, my basement is a mess. Dan is at a home in Denver with some helpful advice and some steps we can take, Dan, to start getting closer to being organized. That's my goal.
Here's what you need to do. Just hire Irina Barnett right here and then forget about it. Because right now, take a look at this apartment. Very organized, right? This is not where I live. Irina, good morning. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Dan.
Okay, you operate Better Life Organizing. You're a professional organizer.
I am a professional organizer.
Yes. Now, what exactly do you organize?
I provide residential organizing services. So if you think anything in the house, bedroom, bathrooms, kitchen, pantry, kids' room, home offices, anything in the house needs to be organized, Better Life Organizing does.
Now, some people are kind of adept to organizing. They're just naturally good at it.
That's right.
But there are other people who are not. Right? Like Cody's laughing because he's one of them, and I'm one of them too. You should see the inside of the news truck. No, you shouldn't. All right, let's start with the kitchen. Well, let me ask you this. What room in the house, in your experience, is normally the messiest?
Office and kitchen and kids' rooms.
In kids' rooms?
Yep.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, so kitchen's number one. We're in a kitchen right now, aren't we?
Yes.
All right, so you wanted to show us around, and this is a clean kitchen. We should have come to mind. But show me, how does one organize a kitchen? I mean, it seems like that might be kind of simple.
Okay, let me show you how I do it.
All right.
So if you look here, I like to label everything. Even if it's obvious that it's a granola bar, I like to label it. So labeling, yeah, granola bar,
gotcha. Yep.
trail mix, raisins, anything. And I like to have all these containers. So when you come from the grocery store, you put them there. When you come from work, you're hungry, you come here. Snacks, you took it, you eat it, you're happy.
All right, what would be the number one tip? Folks are watching right now. What would be the number one tip when you want to organize your kitchen? You should do what first?
Label everything so you know where everything is, and put like items together. Like you see all the canned stuff here, granola bars, all the dry stuff here, and then in the other one, if I can show you over there, see all my baking stuff, baking goods, you know, all the flour, all the baking stuff, all my tea, everything is on the other
Do you
side.
actually use this stuff, or is this just for display?
Oh, my husband uses it a lot more than me, so that's for me to look and for him to use.
Irina, last question, do you label your labeler?
I do not.
Okay. How do you know what it is? Because if you did, and then how do you know what it is? Because if you did, I would say that's a little kooky. All right, if people want information, where do they need to go?
BetterLifeOrganizing.com.
You're small, you're short, but you have a lot of knowledge in that head of yours.
I do a lot. I can help everybody to make their life better and organized.
And you're from the Ukraine.
I am.
Ukraine girls really knock me out. Leave the West behind. Moscow girls make me scream and shout. And Georgia's always on my mind. Beatles! Back to you guys. Love you.
You better watch it, Dan.
Yeah,
She's going to get you in line.
I get a sense she's not going to mess around. She's going to keep you.
She's cute. 7:50.